countertops here because I hate these. And I am also gonna try and change up these horrible fake wood paneling thingies because they're ugly. So that is the plan. I'm very excited. This is very shaky. My apologies. Alright, so I am just using this marble contact paper and it's removable. So I'm just gonna be fitting it. Wow, this is weird. I already like it so much better. It's actually super easy to apply. There weren't very many air bubbles, but I did get them out with my debit card. Super easy to deal with. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Hopefully it lasts. If not, I got it from Walmart for 10 bucks. I think I will live. All right, so this is where we're at so far. I like it a lot. There's obviously some things I already need to fix, like down here, but it's coming along. It's not taking very long. Yeah, not too long at all. I'd say maybe a half hour. Pretty fast. I've seen people on YouTube do it and it seems like it's taking them longer, but not too shabby so far. Okay, so that was probably about an hour, I'm gonna say, and it looks much better. I think it makes it a lot lighter in here. I'm pretty happy with it. I just have to do the other side, and then the countertops are going to be all done. And then I'm gonna start on the cabin. Look at it, it's so beautiful. I'm so content with it. So yeah, that's finished. Hopefully I have time to get the cabinets finished. It's getting a little bit late and I do work in the morning, but I am just feeling like it's something that I want to have finished. And I'm excited about it, and I have everything here, so wish me luck. So I just opened my wallpaper. This again is removable and it is apartment friendly. So this is the first time I'm seeing it. I'm so excited. I almost forgot what it was because I ordered it at the very beginning of quarantine. So this is where I got it from, this little Etsy shop. They're very cute. I will link them below. I didn't order very much, so I'm a little concerned that this isn't enough for all of the cabinets, but I will try my best to do at least the top ones. So here we go. Alrighty. So cute. Not a straight cut, I can already tell, so yeah, the smaller ones now. Okay. We'll see. Alright, so I need to do a couple touch-ups here. But I'm literally in love with how cute this is. High key, I'm crying right now. I am stoked on this. I love everything about it. So this is all I was able to do. So I have 2 more cupboards on this side. I have the cupboards down here, plus all of these. So clearly your girl done fucked up. Hi, so it's about a week later. I finally
got more of my wallpaper, so I just need to finish these two cabinets behind me, and then all of these ones on the opposite side. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough for all of them because I just bought the biggest size available. It was really expensive, so didn't want to buy any more at the time. So hopefully this will work. If not, I'll have to buy more after payday. So yeah, let's finish up. Okay, so as you can see above me, I've finished this side. Finally, I'm very excited because it's been bothering me the last couple of weeks coming into the kitchen and having only 3 cupboards done. But this side, I'm missing space for 2. So I'm gonna have to again order some more off of Etsy and finish that. Luckily they're tiny, so I'll just probably get the smallest size, or maybe just above the smallest size, just to be safe. And then I can finally finish. Finally, all of the cupboards are finished. I just did the top ones because it cost a lot of money. My wallpaper that I got was from Italy, and the dues that I had to pay for it when it got into Canada was way too much for what it was, more than shipping. So I'm just gonna do the top for now. It already makes the kitchen so much lighter. If I come into some spare money, I might do the bottom cupboards, but for now I'm pretty content with the way that it looks. Yeah, so this is where we're at. So that is it for now. I'm really happy with how everything turned out. I'm absolutely in love with my freaking cabinets now. It's so much cuter in here, so much lighter in here than it was before. It took a while. It took me about a month. I was kept ordering not enough of my wallpaper. Definitely double check your measurements if you're planning on doing this so that you don't have to keep ordering them. Yeah, quite impressed with how well it came out. Nice, sweet pastel kitchen dreams have come true. Super, super fun, pretty easy. If you're thinking about redoing your apartment kitchen, it's super easy. Just get some contact paper and some removable wallpaper. It makes such a huge, huge difference. guys had a good time watching. I know I definitely had a lot of fun making this one. So thank you. If you liked it, I do have another room that I'm making over, so that will be coming out soon. So if you don't want to miss that, definitely subscribe. Give me a like, I would love that. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!